Are you tired of scrolling mindlessly through your phone, wasting time on apps that offer no real value? Well, today, we're diving straight into the good stuff. In this video, we're going to show you 10 incredible apps that have the power to make you money. That's right, we're about to unlock the secrets to earning cash right from the palm of your hand. So grab your phone and get ready to discover a world of opportunities. It's time to turn your screen time into money-making time. Let's jump right in. Number 10 is Ibotta. Ibotta is widely recognized as one of the best cashback apps for your favorite marketplaces and brands. To earn money on your phone, simply download the Ibotta app and choose the website you want to shop at. Once you make your purchase, the app will automatically calculate your cashback and add it to your Ibotta earnings. If you shop in person, you'll still need to download the Ibotta app. But you'll submit a photo of your receipt in the app. Within 24 hours, you'll see cash back in your Ibotta earnings. If you refer a friend to Ibotta, you can earn $10 once your friend signs up with your code, and your friend will receive $5. There's no limit to how many friend referrals you can do, so you can keep earning money every time you share your referral code. Number 9 is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is a popular money-making app that offers various ways to earn cash, including taking surveys and playing games. It stands out from other apps because Inbox Dollars has partnered with top brands such as Netflix, Target, and Walmart. With Inbox Dollars, you can earn free money by reading emails, grocery shopping, shopping online for cashback rewards, playing games, and completing online surveys. Inbox Dollars has been in business since 2000 and has paid members over $80 million in cash rewards. There's a current bonus of $5 when you sign up, so get paid extra to do everyday tasks. It's a no-brainer. Number 8 is DoorDash. DoorDash is a popular app that provides opportunities for individuals to make money online by becoming food delivery drivers. The app connects customers with local restaurants and allows them to order food for delivery. As a DoorDash driver, you can sign up, set your availability, and receive delivery requests directly through the app. Once you accept a delivery request, you pick up the order from the restaurant and deliver it to the customer's location. DoorDash offers flexible hours, allowing you to work on your schedule and earn money based on the number of deliveries completed. With the DoorDash app, you can keep track of your earnings, and you can choose to get paid on a daily, weekly, or instantly. Remember that how much you'll earn depends on where, how much, and what time of day you choose to deliver. But DoorDash drivers will always receive a base pay for any delivery, and they'll always receive 100% of the customer tips received by DoorDash. Number 7 is Instacart. Instacart is a popular app that provides an opportunity to make money online by becoming a personal shopper and delivering groceries to customers. The app connects customers with local stores and allows them to place grocery orders online. As an Instacart shopper, you can choose to accept these orders and fulfill them by visiting the store, picking up the items, and delivering them to the customer's doorstep. The app provides detailed information about each order, including the shopping list, payment, and delivery instructions. Instacart shoppers have the flexibility to work on their schedule and earn money through a combination of base pay, tips from customers, and potential bonuses. The amount Instacart shoppers earn depends on the size of the order, driving distance, and effort involved in shopping and delivering. Also, Instacart shoppers get to keep 100% of their tips. Number 6 is The Upside. The Upside is an app that allows you to earn cash back on everything from gas prices to restaurants and everything in between. Once you find a local offer on the app, you can make your purchase. And after your purchase, you can check in to log your purchase. If your purchase doesn't show up in the app, simply take a photo of your receipt and upload it to the app. It's that simple. You can even cash out whenever you want via an e-gift card, PayPal, or a direct deposit in your bank account. Number 5 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is an app allowing you to earn rewards by scanning your receipts. Shoppers can earn rewards for groceries, shopping, and restaurants. However, Fetch is currently only available to shoppers in the United States. You can turn your receipts into rewards, which can include popular gift cards from Target, Amazon, Uber, Walmart, etc. Number 4 is Mistplay. Mistplay is an innovative gaming app that offers a unique opportunity to make money online. Branded as a loyalty program for gamers, Mistplay rewards users with points for playing games on their Android smartphones. An iPhone version is currently in development. The app provides a platform for gamers to not only enjoy their favorite games, but also earn rewards in the process. The longer you play, the more you earn. You can redeem your rewards for gift cards such as Amazon, Google Play, PayPal, and more. Number 3 is Rakuten. Rakuten is another cashback app that allows you to earn on everything from clothes and electronics to restaurants and ride-sharing. With over 3,500 stores, Rakuten offers users the chance to earn up to 40% cash back on their purchases. The process is simple. Users can search for their desired retailer within the app, click on the provided link, and shop as they normally would. For in-store purchases, linking your card and activating cashback offers before checkout is necessary. Regardless of whether you shop online or not, you will have the option of getting paid via check or PayPal. The app also offers a sign-up bonus. Currently, you can earn $10 when you sign up. Number 2 is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is a leading market research company that boasts an impressive user base of over 10 million members. One notable feature of Survey Junkie is its extensive selection of surveys, which provides users with flexible opportunities to earn money. Simply complete a survey, which allows you to earn virtual points, and you can redeem those virtual points for a PayPal deposit or an e-gift card. Keep in mind that you won't get rich completing surveys, so it's not meant to take the place of a full-time job, but it can supplement your income. To join, you must be at least 18 years old and live in the United States, Canada, Australia, or the United Kingdom. Number 1 is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a versatile app that offers various opportunities to make money online. In addition to taking surveys, users can engage in other straightforward tasks such as searching the internet, playing video games, and earning cashback while shopping online. Its versatility and the attractive $10 sign-up bonus make it a popular choice among users. Swagbucks also stands out as a reliable survey platform. While there is technically no minimum withdrawal requirement, most reward options become available starting at $3, including PayPal Cash and a selection of gift cards. This flexibility, combined with its user-friendly interface and range of earning possibilities, has earned Swagbucks a well-deserved reputation as one of the top money-making apps available. And that's a wrap. We've covered 10 amazing apps that can help you make money online. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash or start a side hustle, these apps have got you covered. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks for making and saving money. Thanks for watching and happy money making.